How do I know if my kitchen cabinets are of good quality?
The construction options vary from vendor to vendor. Your salesperson should know, um, you know, what that vendor offers as far as construction options are. Some folks are all plywood construction as a standard, some offer it as an upgrade. You'll want to ask about the drawer glides, the hinges, all things that make the cabinet operate will make or break the quality of the cabinet. Another big one is the finish. For instance, Craftmade bakes their finish on. They have this, looks like a big UFO machine that they send their doors and drawer fronts and face frames through that literally bakes the finish on. So it's almost indestructible. Um, in fact, if someone came to me saying that can they sand down and refinish their cabinets sometime in the future, I would say, boy, that would be a headache because that finish would be the most difficult thing to come off. So that speaks to the quality of the cabinet as well.